This is why you need to visit the Grand Canyon at least once. It's not just a canyon, it's a time machine carved by nature. Ready to have your mind blown? The Grand Canyon stretches a jaw-dropping 277 miles across Arizona, with cliffs plunging over 6,000 feet deep. Its colorful rock layers reveal Earth's ancient secrets, telling a story that spans almost 2 billion years. The Colorado River carved this epic landscape, creating views that stop you in your tracks and a home for hundreds of unique plants and animals. No wonder it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions every year. The Grand Canyon isn't just a place, it's an experience you'll never forget.